afternoon, everyone. I'm Sister Libby, Principal of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. Today is not just about showcasing our students' robotics projects, about understanding why robotics is so important for the next generation. Technology is changing the world at lightning speed. Robotics is at the heart of this change, from healthcare to space exploration.
My name is Neeraj.
My name is Patrick.
My name is Jeevan J, studying 9th standard in Nagle Vidhya Bhavan School, Kanjoor.
Today we are going to present voice control home automation. The main objective of our home automation is to help the handicapped and old-aged people. This will allow them to control electrical appliances and alert them in critical situations.
User gives voice command through phone. App converts voice to text and send it through Bluetooth. Arduino receives the command and processes it. Appropriate pin is activated. Relay switches the appliance on or off.
The components required for this project are Arduino Uno, HC05 Bluetooth module, jumbo wires and LED. It is also a part of SDG goals 9, 10 and 12, reducing inequalities and independence at home, enhances inclusivity and independence home, reduce consumption and production. Light on, light off.
Hi, I'm Jeena. I'm the computer teacher of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan Kanjoor. We know that the future world is the world of robots. Robots are going to assist in our daily life, so we should prepare our children for the future by developing robotic things. As you all know, our school is providing robotics training for our children. We are using a platform called CyberSquare for this. It's a wonderful platform for our kids for improving their talent in science and technology. They can develop their problem-solving skills, critical thinking, innovation and creativity. It also helps improve teamwork and communication. Currently, our students are developing web pages, games and robotic cars.
By learning robotics, our students develop problem solving, creativity and teamwork skills that will help them succeed in any field. Here, we believe education should prepare children for life, not just for exams. We started our robotics partnership with the CyberSquare last year. Their classes have encouraged our students to think critically, adapt to change, and embrace innovations. This year, our students are participating in tech talks and robotics competitions in multiple inter-school digital fest. I thank CyberSquare for their partnership, our teachers for their dedication, and our students for their enthusiasm. Together, we are building a future-ready generation. Thank you.